Sorry, excuse me. You're making me run. You're going this way, right? Yeah, go. Let's use the. Oh, she used this. Okay. Ruth, how happy are you?
I'm very so happy. I don't deserve this.
You deserve it. You deserve more, my love.
Thank you very much.
You deserve more. You deserve more.
I really appreciate for everything, for loving me so much. Prof X, my daddy, Mr. Ruth, thank you very much. I really appreciate for everything. Thank you. I'm happy. Thank you. But I don't deserve this. I don't even know if. Thank you very much, Daddy Proff X. Thank you. I appreciate. God bless all of you. God bless you for making me happy just like that. Oh, thank you. I'm happy. I'm happy too much. I really appreciate it too much. Thank you.
Mention your daddy's name. Who is your daddy?
Prof X.
Who is your daddy?
Prof X.
Mr. Pull the trigger.
X, my daddy. That's my special daddy.
Mr. Pull the trigger.
It's my daddy. Prof X is my daddy.
Okay.
Thank you, Jesus. I thank everybody all over the world for your support towards my life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Ruth the cripple girl. I am so happy for her when I see the video just now where this our better man take change life. They give a weak shell. Now they even don't change her life. Oh, I'm so happy for her. She was so happy just now. She was so happy, like seriously. I am so happy for her. My people, please let me to share the video. Let the video go viral. I beg, Mona share the video. Waiting pastor, wait call himself Pastor Jeremiah. Waiting he no fit do for Ruth. Now other people they do for him. So waiting they surprise me for all those pastors BC. This man, una know the way in they share money up and down. Even Sandra Igubo, fear not let Sandra talk for this matter way. Sandra, they beat around the bush because he'd already give her money before. Sandra see truth, fear not let her talk again. Because Sandra go there for visit, they give us money, big money. Sandra now, he see truth now, fear not let her talk again. Sandra will go carry other pastors put for head to begin they talk. He can't reach Pastor Jeremiah owner. Fear not let Sandra talk again. They don't buy him out with money. You know if you talk again. You see life? The main truth be so that they say the girl lie. But he became lost, I be not lost, he lost. Where became? Okay, Pastor will say that they see prophecy. Okay, no not see prophecy for this one. Now wow. This is the apple. Okay, what can be the prophecy one they see? What will be the thing one they see? One I go say, madam, well, I know your name. You were a boy so time. You were this. Why am I not going to see the prophecy tell where this speaking day now? When I come, they carry police want to arrest the girl. They do different things. My people, this matter is serious. So I am so happy for Ruth. Say at least God sees her pastoral. You understand? So my people, I put the video Mona. See, I'm gonna let me show the video. I beg. Mona, let me show the video. Pastor go share money, give rich people. go collect from the poor till they help the rich. When TB Joshua they are alive, TB Joshua will collect from the rich, go to help the poor. Now those pastors meet know say that they collect from the poor, collect 18,000 for cripple because you want prophesy for her. While I be like bicycle, my people oh more watch video.
Sorry, excuse me. You're making me run. You're going this way, right? Yeah, go.
Let's use the. Oh, she use this. Okay.
Ruth, how happy are you?
I'm very so happy. I don't deserve this.
You deserve it. You deserve more, my love.
Thank you very
You
much.
deserve
Ma.
more. You deserve more.
I really appreciate for everything, for loving me so much.
Prof X, my daddy, Mr. Ruth, thank you very much. I really appreciate for everything. Thank you. I'm happy. Thank you.
But I don't deserve this. I don't even know if. Thank you very much, Daddy Proff X. Thank you. I appreciate. God bless all of you. Thanks from me. God bless you for making me happy just like that. Oh, thank you. I'm happy. I'm happy too much. I really appreciate it too much. Thank you.
Mention your daddy's name. Who is your daddy? Prof X. Who is your daddy?
Proff X.
Mr. Pull the trigger.
X, my daddy. That's my special daddy.
Mr. Pull the trigger.
It's my daddy. Proff X is my daddy.
Okay.
Thank you, Jesus. I thank everybody all over the world for your support towards my life. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you, everybody, for taking away pains from me, for wiping away my tears. Thank you. I really appreciate everybody. Thank you.
So,
Thank you, sir.
we are going into her room.
Mom, I really appreciate. Thank you for beautifying my life like this. Daddy Proff X, thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you, ma. Thank you, sir.
Okay, hello. You're Emmanuel. What's your name? Shalom. What's your name? Triumph. You're cute. Very cute. Okay, so come up and go. So you see your mother. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Can you say hello?
He's tough floor.
Okay, so bye.
Bye, you're on tough floor now.
Bye-bye. Okay, so here we are. You want to see your mommy? Yes. Do you guys miss your mommy? Yes. You miss your mommy? Yes. Okay, so here we go. Let's surprise her. You're welcome. We're gonna see your mommy.
Here we are. We going in. Here we are. Ah. Hi, Triumph, right? How are you, boy? I'm fine. Big boy.